Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely elegant holiday wreath bow. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I always fold it in half, cut it, and then I'll lay it down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what we did was we took a whole bunch of picks and just used floral tape and put them together. So I'm just gonna lay my picks into my Bowdabra. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful ribbon, we're gonna just lay this in here, and all of this ribbon is from Bowdabra.com. I'm just gonna lay these in here, take this one and scrunch it in, and I've already dovetailed the ends, because you probably don't need to watch me dovetail. And so now I'm gonna take this ribbon and we're just gonna twist, and we're gonna fold it back over and fold it over here and make one last loop and scrunch it in. And then I'm gonna take this ribbon here and we're just gonna twist it, fold it back and twist and fold it back here and twist, twist, just make one last loop, and my tail will just lay down here flat. And then I'm going to take our wired burlap ribbon and we're just going to twist it, fold it back and twist. And this is a really nice high quality ribbon. And also please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Would really appreciate that, and tell all your friends about our beautiful ribbons that we sell on Bowdabra.com. So we're going to scrunch this down, take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it up, pull it through my slip knot, and pull it really tight while it's still in Bowdabra. Pull it out. You can hear I have little bells in here that you can probably hear ringing as I'm playing with my bow here. Bring it around to the back. I'm just going to tie it off and tie a knot. Okay. So I'm just going to finish fluffing, and then I'm going to use my Bowdabra bow wire to tie it onto the wreath, and you have this absolutely gorgeous decoration for your home. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.